Good morning, afternoon, or evening to you. My name is Claude Amadou, and I'm gonna be your tutor for the web development course. It's gonna be a series of videos which I might be posting every week now and then. So, to begin with, I'm going to take you through the concept of web development. Web development is basically the development of websites for the internet. And with web development, what you can do is develop website for a company, business, a social network, and online store. With web development, you can also develop web apps or games for mobile. Now, to look at how all this works, we're going to start with the internet. We all know that the internet is a global wide network that connects computer systems across the world. And within the internet, there is something called the World Wide Web, which we all know is www, which is an information system where documents and other web resources are kept using URLs, Uniform Resource Locator. An example of a uniform resource locator is let's say www.facebook.com. With that URL, you can access the Facebook website within the World Wide Web on the internet. Now, a website which is located using a URL is defined as a collection of web pages which are related and identified by a common domain name on a web server. And what a web server is let's say a computer program or a device. Now, speaking of web servers, we have client and web server. Now, what a client is let's say a client is like a hardware or a software that is used to access something on a server. So an example of a client can be, let's say, a web browser or the phone you are using to make a call or a computer. And the server is, let's say, another computer system which can give the client access to information on that server. So let me use an example like Facebook.com. All what you see on the website is on a server. When you go into your web browser, type www.facebook.com on the address bar and submit. You are sending a request to the server, and what the server does is it gives you that information that you require. For instance, if you are logging in to your Facebook account, you are sending the server a request that this user wants to log into this account using this password. When the information gets to the server will verify, authenticate it, and give you back the information you want. An example is like Google. When you search for something on Google, you submit a query, then Google gives you a feedback. That's somehow the relationship between a client computer and a server computer. Well, for the web development course, we are going to start with website development, and we are going to start with 3 languages, which are HTML5, CSS, and JavaScript. These are the basic languages we need to focus on right now to achieve our goal.